Okay, today let us check about direct online starter. Yeah, we have diagram here. Let's first explain our diagram. We have phase. This is our line. Phase. We have overload here. 95, 96. This is NC. We have also stop button. Stop button means NC 12. NC stop button. From start button we have start button. This is used to start our circuit. Start button. And we have hold on contact 13, 14. After that we have coil contactor A1, A2, and this is neutral. A2 means neutral. So let's check how is working our diagram or our circuit. As when we make on here, first power is coming up to the number 3. Power coming from our line direct up to the number 3 and number 13. Our power is up to here because this is NO, cannot go straight. Our power up to here, so our power ended here first when you are not switched on. So when you start our button, when you make on this start button, this power will go to the coil. When power going to the coil, our contact, it will energized. When contact energized, remember this is NO. When contact energized, this will be NC. It will be inside, means it will go NC. Now when contactor energized, this will be NC. When it will be NC, now check power, it will go straight up to the coil also. So even if when you release the button, stop the start button, you release, the power will be passing through up to the coil direct. So that's why we call this hold on contact, because when you press on and release it and leave this button, the power will pass through 13 and 14 up to the coil. So when you cut, you press the stop button, the power, complete circuit will lose the power, so the circuit will be off. But when we start, when we press only start button, our circuit will be on. When you press the start button and leave it, the circuit will be on because we have hold on contact here 13, 14. The power will pass through directly through this way, and contactor always will be on. It will be off when you press only the stop button. So let us check our diagram, and to do it on the table one step by another to check. It is simple, but we have to, when you want to do this diagram, first you have overload. This is our overload, as you see here, 95, 96. This is NC. 97, 98. This is NO, and this is our current selector. Okay, we have terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3. This wire will go to the motor. And another one we need to have, this is a stop button, this 1 2, as we see here, 1 2, this red one, this means is stop button. So another thing, we need to have start button. This is start button. Start button means 3 4, this is start button. 3 4, this is a start button. Okay, another thing, we need to have a contactor, and this is our contactor here. Okay, as we can see, we have live 1, live 2, live 3, and here we have terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3, and here we have 13 14, means this is an O. 14 13 14 and O. Then we have NC 21 22. Then we have coil contactor. We have coil here, A1, this is A2, and when we check our coil voltage is 220 voltage. So we can check how to make our circuit by using this component. Okay, first of all, we connect our overload. This is our overload. We connect here. Connect our overload. Tighten proper. Okay, we have already connected the overload. After connecting the overload, this is our power wire. This is live and this black one is neutral. So as we can see from our diagram, we have 95. This is our overload. This wire is from the phase direct coming to the overload 95. So this is our 95 overload, is coming our power. We connect it. Okay, after connecting the power, 96 is coming to the stop button. So this is our stop button, and this is a 96. We connect our wire 96. After connecting, also we come in to connect to the number 1. This is stop button. We connect our stop button here. Okay, already connected. We check our diagram. Number 2, there is 2 wire. One wire going to the number 3 start button, and another wire coming to the hold on contact number 13. So we take 2 wire from here. One wire is going to the start button number 3. Okay, this is our number 3. We connect it, and another wire is going to the power contactor. power contactor 13. This is 13, but our wire is short. Let's take a longer wire. And connect 13. That is power contactor 13, this one. Connect here. Okay. After connecting, we have number 4, sorry. This number 4, as we see in our diagram, number 4, there is 2 wires. One wire is going to the A1 coil and another wire is going to the power contactor 14. So we take 2 wires. We take 2 wires here. One wire is going to 14. This is 14. That's it. And another wire is going to the A1 coil contact. A1 is this one, so we connect to the A1. Okay, as we see, we done this, and we done up to here. Is remaining only A2. This is neutral, and as I said before, this is our power wire. So this is live already connected, and this is neutral remaining. Neutral is going to connect it to the A2 coil contact, and A2 is this one. So we connect our neutral wire here. Neutral wire, we connect here. Okay, after connecting, our circuit is done. So we have to give power and check how it's working. Okay, let me switch on. I switch on the power, and now we switch on our contactor to see. Okay, let's check power first. Power is there. Power is here. So on. This is off. This is on. So as we now our circuit is on, but we leave it off. This is on. I press now on. I leave it. After leaving, this coil is still inside on. That's why I explained you before. As we make on, we press start button. When we press start button and leave it, the power will pass through, will passing from number 4 up to A1. but we leave it, means the power it should cut because we leave the switch. But why is it still holding this coil? The coil is still holding because we have power contactor here, number 13 and number 14. This number 13 and 14 is still, because now this line is NC, so it makes the power to pass through this way, you see, this way. Now power passing through this way, coming again back, coming to the coil here, passing from here, you see. Let me show you. You see, this NC, power will be here, power will be here. The power contact is taking from here, here, coming up to here. You see, still power is there. It's coming up to here, and this number 4 is coming up to here. So it makes the power to pass through this way. Check. Number 2 is coming up to here. Here and here is connection there, still passing through up to here, still passing through up to here, and here is coming through this way up to here coil. Now finish.